माण्हू गॾु थिया उन सां सॼी स्टेट सॼी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट जुड़ी वई ऐं सम्झो हाणे खां पोइ पाकिस्तान जे करे असां हिन माण्हू खे ख़तमु कयोसीं त हीउ पाकिस्तान खे ख़तमु कयो ऐं ईअं एक्ज़ैक्टली थियणो हो ऐं ईअं कोन्हे त उहो असांखे छॾे ॾींदा साईं जेम्स सद खां वठी साईं जेम्स सद खे उन्हनि 30 सालनि खां ताईं प्रिजन में रखियो ऐं बशीर ख़ान जॾहिं हुन चई त पहुतो ऐं हुननि इहो बर्दाश्त न करे सघियो त हिन माण्हू खे गिरफ़्तार कंदासीं दिल्ली खे ॿुधी पवंदी हुननि हिकिड़ो बुदला पे एक्शन करे and we all and all Sindh from the all international forces from British government we appeal them because they are supporting Pakistan to the history of Pakistan. We appeal them to stop supporting Pakistan because the all terror acts happening in the world, they are happening by Pakistan. We have been telling all over the world since 20 years. Even Saint James has used to say to all over the world, this is the state which will be the reason of terror in the world. And which is happening now, the world see the terror, wherever you see, Pakistan is behind that. And Pakistan military is behind that. And in last 60 years, of 65 years of Pakistan, the oppressed nation in Pakistan, which they went with Pakistan, which I will say Sindh, if you will go to the Lahore, you will see whatever they say the remembrance of Pakistan Day, there the resolution is still written there that it will be a union of sovereign states, independent sovereign states. We never went in Pakistan on these terms what they are running now. We went in Pakistan on the terms that Sindh will be always sovereign and independent state. But they betrayed all the nations in that and they also occupied Balochistan in that. So now Sindhi will never stay in Pakistan because we have been betrayed and we received, since history of Pakistan, all of our leaders murdered by Pakistani establishment. So now we appeal all international forces, including British government, to stop supporting Pakistan, and we appeal them as a civilized nation, as a civilized country, as a civilized Prime Minister, that please help our country, help our, Sindh and Baloch peoples, and also we need their help in the investigation of Bashir Khan Qureshi, that the murder of Bashir Khan Qureshi can be proved. Thank you, Jason.
Sultan said that they killed Bashir Khan because Bashir Khan, over the period of time, reached to the level because for nations in their struggle to gain freedom, it is not an easy struggle. Shah Sain Chaywa, the Sissi Ishkuna Irand, Jakiran Tagubal, Sissi Neze Pand, Uchulta Adati. It is that game, the game in which the heads are detached from the body. And in that struggle and war for independence is not an easy struggle. The most important route to that struggle is the political parties, political leaderships, and these two issues are interconnected. Political parties are necessary, very, very strong political parties are necessary to lead the nation, to show them the path, to help them in difficulty, to help them in the days of darkness. And then the strong political parties as a condition of political leadership. And Pakistan thought that by destroying the political parties of Sindhi people, by weakening the leadership of Sindhi political parties, they can control. This is the only way. And things take time, it is a process. Over the period of time, the struggle, the enormous sacrifices of Sindhi people and the process, Bashir Khan emerging as a leader of Sindhi people. And that they couldn't afford. If a nation finds a political party and a leader, and most importantly, in Sindh there are many leaders. Some, they are really one of the finest speakers They are really talk very, very nice. There are some people who are really very, very good analysts. Some people, they are very, very good people. But to make a struggle popularized, you need to connect with the people. And Bashir Khan has that capacity, capability, and character that he was able to connect with the people. And therefore, he popularized Sindhi nation's struggle, and Sindhi nation's cause for freedom. And that was great trait that manifested, as many friends say, in the Freedom March in Karachi. All those who think they are masters of Karachi, they captured Karachi, they were literally shaking. And the only option was to kill him, and they did. Now, Bashir Khan has gone. But in our hearts, he will never die. As far as a single Sindhi person is alive, Bashir Khan is alive. So his sacrifice for his motherland, those who die for the motherland never die. They ever live. And only some people can have that privilege. Only those people who die for their motherland, only they can live. We will die and will disappear. He will never die. But now he has left a question for all of us. That how we participate and contribute and take this struggle to the aim, to the goal, to the dream that he believed in and Sai James has believed. May I now request Afzal Dai Saab, who is chairman of Kashmir International Front, to give his views.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I am here in solidarity with the people of Sindh. We are also part of the struggle in Kashmir for long. And in Pakistan, we are always in association with the people fighting for the alternative narrative, that is the freedom. When we say freedom, freedom expresses itself as an alternative to the slavery. The society built up from bottom up, and that is go along with the freedom. When we see people demanding for freedom and Sindh, Balochistan, it means the formation of Pakistan was not freedom. That was only change from white men into a brown dictated from Islamabad, dominated by a segment of that society known as Punjab. And from Punjab, when we say that is Punjabi army. And to support my point, if you see historically, the soldiers refused to fire in Lahore on the protest. They refused to fire in Rawalpindi, but they were happy to fire in Balochistan and Sindh. Because they consider the entire community and discriminate not only one or two, but because they are Sindhi and because they demand their fundamental rights. So this is the problem. So here we are standing for to raise our voice that the countries belong to the people. Lands belong to the people. It is not belong to a group of people. It is not belong to a particular section or race of the people. That is apartheid. So this is the problem which they have targeted a popular leader who tried to popularize, who tried to challenge the myths they have created among the people. And when it was clear that their myths and their falsehood is going to be exposed in Sindh, they targeted to assassinate. But the point is, we are here in London.